Measured either by their length or by weight, the world's largest living snakes are mainly members of the Pythonidae and Boidae families. Most of the large snakes are non-venomous. Nevertheless, all the reptile species play a vital role in the proper functioning of the world's ecosystem.
I know where you came from. Would you like to see?
Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Those are the 10 largest snakes in the world. Number 10. Green Anaconda.
She'd certainly be within her rights to see me as a food item.
The green anaconda is the world's heaviest and one of the longest snake species. The snake has an estimated length of about 5.21 meters, with the females being larger than the males. This non-venomous solitary bird feeds on a varied diet. This snake species inhabits swamps, marshes, slow-moving streams and rivers in the tropical rainforest. They are found in the continent of South America and all over the world. Number 9. The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake.
Wow, what an encounter. Cool, but dangerous with the Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake.
The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake is one of the world's heaviest known species of venomous snake. The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake averages 1.5 to 1.8 meters in length and weighs about 5.5 to 6.8 kg. The adult Eastern Diamondbacks even feed on small mammals. This snake species inhabits coastal forest, plateau, scrublands, and they are found in the southeastern United States. Number 8. Burmese Python.
Burmese pythons are the third largest snake in the world.
In the wild, an adult Burmese python typically grows up to 16 feet. Its attractive color makes it highly popular among pet keepers and in the leather industry. Burmese pythons are also excellent swimmers that spend a majority of their time well hidden in the underbrush. Their diet mainly consists of small birds and mammals. Burmese python is found in the tropic and subtropic areas of South and Southeast Asia. Number 7. African Rock Python. An adult African rock python measures about 3 to 3.53 meters and weighs 97 to 121 kg. It varies considerably in size depending on the area and the habitat. This non-venomous snake is thick-bodied and is covered with colored blotches that form large irregular stripes. Their diet mainly consists of a variety of large rodents and mammals. This snake live also the edges of swamps, rivers and lakes. They are found throughout sub-Saharan Africa. Number 6. Indian Python. Indian python is a large non-venomous python species. The snake species measures about 8.9 to 10.8 feet and weighs about 52 kg. The Indian python is a light-colored snake with whitish or yellowish blotch patterns. Their diet mainly consists of mammals, birds and other reptiles. These snakes are excellent swimmers. These snakes are found in the tropical and subtropical areas of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Number 5. The King Cobra.
As long as I'm exactly where I am now, I'm safe. If I got even a few inches closer...
The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. The snake attains a length of 3 to 4 meters and weighs about 6 kg. These snakes often feed on other snakes like rat snakes to small-sized python and other snakes that belong to the venomous category. However, the king cobra has lost major portion of its habitat to deforestation activities. King cobras inhabit dense forests, mangrove swamps, agricultural. They are found in all over the world. Number 4. Yellow Anaconda.
This little male is transmitting an enormous...
The yellow anaconda is one of the world's largest snakes. Yellow anaconda grows to an average of 10.8 to 14.4 feet in length and weighs between 25 to 30 kg. The snake is yellow or greenish yellow in color and is overlaid with black to dark brown spots. They are listed under Appendix 2 of CITES. This snake species generally prefer aquatic habitat including marshes, swamps and banks of slow-moving water bodies. It is found in South America. Number 3. Boa Constrictor.
The amazing thing that happens next is that the boa constrictor will actually start to swallow its prey whole.
A boa constrictor is a non-venomous, large, heavy-bodied snake. The size and weight of a boa constrictors depend upon the locality and availability of free species. Their diet consists of birds, rodents, and other small to medium-sized mammals. They are listed under Appendix 2 of CITES. This snake species is mostly terrestrial and can be found in variety of habitats including rainforest and semi-desert of Central and South America. Number 2. Cuban boa. The Cuban boa is the largest snake on the island of Cuba. It measures around 16 feet in length and weighs around 27 kg. This snake species feeds on small mammals like rodents. The habitat of this island-dwelling snake faces threats from anthropogenic activities. This species is found in Cuba and some adjacent islands and generally inhabits the tropical dry forest and scrub forests. Number 1. Papuan python. The Papuan python is a python species. An adult Papuan python grows up to 17 feet in length and weighs about 22.5 kg. Its color varies from black to mustard yellow, but it normally has an olive green appearance. The python species can change its color, especially when it gets agitated. The Papuan python is a nocturnal terrestrial species and its diet mainly consists of small mammals. Sometimes it also feeds on other snakes. It is found in the island of New Guinea. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.